guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Faith Kiro. For those who are new here, remember to subscribe, to like and share my videos. Guys, remember I tell you we are in the road to 1,000 subscribers. That's what I'm saying. For those who are new here, remember to subscribe, to like and share my videos. Hit the subscription button up chini, like and share. Guys, today I'm going to prepare for you a very simple menu with a very simple recipe. And guess it's what? It's liver. Guys, don't go away. We are going to start it, and welcome to Faith's Kitchen. With me, I'm having liver, dania, that is coriander, onions, capsicum, that is pilipili hoho, tomatoes, cooking oil, together with milk. So guys, I'm going to start it right away, and I'll start by soaking my liver with milk. I'll soak my liver with milk. The reason as to why I'm soaking this liver with milk is to remove some bitter taste that liver normally has and to make it more softer. So guys, I'll leave my liver to soak maybe for 5 to 10 minutes. Actually for 10 minutes, then I'll start cooking it. The 10 minutes are over, so I'll now drain the milk that is in the liver. Then I'll start preparing my liver. Make sure you have the liver only. Make sure you drain all the milk in it. I'll then heat my saucepan together with the cooking oil. After that, I'll add my onions. I'll leave it to cook until it turns to golden brown. As you can see guys, it has turned to golden brown. I'll now add my tomatoes. I'll also leave it until it is well cooked. Actually, I'll give it 2 minutes. As you can see, it is well cooked. I'll then add capsicum. Hiyo ni pilipili hoho. I'll also leave it to cook for 1 minute. From here, I'll add a pinch of salt. There's one thing I was almost forgetting. I'll add soy sauce, kiasi tu. That's enough. That's tight. You make sure your ingredients is well cooked. I'll also leave it for 1 second, actually 1 minute. I'll leave it for 1 minute. As you can see guys, it is now well cooked. I'll now add my liver in here. Make sure you stir it very well. Guys, just see. I'll then add half a cup of water to it. And stir. And stirring it. We need to have our liver stew very well, guys. I'll leave it for 5 minutes to cook. I'll cover it so that the simmer will not escape, and actually it will cook well. It will be well cooked. I'll cover it so that the simmer will not escape and also for it to cook well. As you can see, our liver is almost cooked. I'll now add my dhania. I'll also leave it to cook for 1 minute. Then we'll have our liver ready. Guys, the 1 minute is now over. As you can see, our liver is now ready. Very ready. I'll now serve it, guys. I'll now serve it. As you can see, guys, I've served it. Our liver is ready. Thanks, guys, for watching. I'll remind you, for those who've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, you like and share my videos, okay? Until next time, bye.